Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to Delicious Diary. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to get more interesting cooking recipes. Thank you. Today I'm sharing Urad Dal pancakes. In English, it is called split black gram. We have to soak the Urad Dal all day and make a paste of it in night and ferment it overnight by adding some baking soda. Next morning it will get fermented, then mix it well, make a smooth paste. You can also add some water in that to adjust the consistency. Please check description for all recipe details. It is a very easy breakfast recipe. Take a bowl and add the Urad Dal batter. Then add cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon. Black pepper, 1 teaspoon. Add chaat masala, half teaspoon. Then add half teaspoon ginger and 1 green chilli. Then add spring onion, 1 tablespoon. You can also red chilli flake or chilies also if you want it more spicy, and mix it well. The batter should not be very thin or very thick. Make it like this. Add salt and mix it well. Take a white pan and add 1 to 2 teaspoon cooking oil, and with the help of 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon, add the batter on pan and spread it slowly, but not like bigger size. Make it a small size. Cook it on medium flame. Flip it to cook other side. Add 2 teaspoon oil again to cook it well and become crispy. If you have a wide pan, you can add 3 pancakes at one time. When it turns golden, it's cooked completely. Serve this pancake with sauce. Tell me in comment how you like this recipe, and thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.